everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we have just checked out of Courtyard by Marriot Amritsar and आपके लिए hotel tour भी किया है just to show you guys around. Please watch and do let us know how you liked it.
अगर आप भी अमृतसर का ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हो देन ये एक बहुत अच्छी ऑप्शन है आपके लिए टू कंसिडर बिकॉज दिस इज़ लोकेटेड इन द सेंटर ऑफ द सिटी. हर चीज़ यहाँ से बहुत कन्वीनियंट है, पास में है. गोल्डन टेम्पल इज़ जस्ट 3.5 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम हेयर एंड दिस इज़ अ 5-star प्रॉपर्टी. तो आपको यहाँ पे लग्जरी कंफर्ट मिलेगा एंड ऑल मॉडर्न अम्यूनिटीज़ यू विल गेट हेयर. मॉल रोड इसकी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन है. इसके पास जो हॉट स्पॉट्स हैं अमृतसर के विच आर लॉरेंस रोड, रंजीत एवेन्यू एक्सेट्रा, वो सब भी बहुत पास में ही पड़ते हैं. जस्ट लाइक 10-15 minutes ड्राइव. लॉरेंस रोड इज़ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट जस्ट 2 kilometers away from here and Ranjit Avenue is also very close. So you will feel that you have like booked a good spot where you can like if you want to roam around at night, like just want to try things out, तो आपको convenient रहेगा. You won't have to travel quite far to go places. So the check-in happens at the same usual timings जो सारे hotels का होता है, 3 PM. So there was this beautiful stall right at the entrance of the hotel and they have displayed these beautiful fulkaris over here. You can have a look and whenever you plan to visit, do stop by and like check the collection here. A quick room tour for you all. We personally like the room a lot. So cute. Looks yummy. Wow, such an amazing gesture. Thank you so much, Mr. Vijay Chandran. We have absolutely loved your adorable gesture. So very thoughtful and kind of you. So you get this nice decent view of the city from the room. and there's this bar at the roof of the hotel. So अगर आपका मन नहीं है नीचे मेन रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने का, then you can anytime come over here at the roof and like order anything for yourself. यहाँ का menu is different than the hotel menu, I mean than the restaurant menu, the main restaurant menu. So and this is open till 12, so it's quite a good option, nice option in case आप बाहर से घूम के लेट आ रहे हो and the main restaurant is closed, so you can come here and lounge. एंड दिस इज़ आवर फेवरेट पार्ट राइट हेयर. इवनिंग में वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया था, तो यहाँ पे अगर जैसे अच्छा वेदर है यू कैन सिट आउटसाइड एंड यू कैन टेल द बार पीपल to like serve you outside and they can happily do that for you and you can enjoy yourself by the pool. So this is the next day. Breakfast buffet scenes coming up for you. Genuinely we quite liked the spread here and the food was amazing. So we met Chef Anar over there. He was quite humble and nice and especially वो आए to ask if हमें कुछ और चाहिए था and वो अभी right there and then he was ready to make that for us. कुछ भी, anything on special demand also. So we really liked the gesture. So thank you Chef Anar. overall ये hotel is a great option for anybody who's looking to come to Amritsar and stay in the city while not being very far away from Golden Temple, because main reason सबका अमृतसर में Golden Temple के दर्शन करने का ही होता है. So this is overall a very good option, guys. You can like definitely come here without any second thoughts. Beautiful surroundings you will get, and the most important thing, the place is quite neat and clean. Now we are going back home. So इसका next vlog आएगा हमारी अमृतसर ट्रिप का. So don't forget to watch that, and we hope you like the vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and wait for the Amritsar vlog, guys. Next vlog वो ही आएगा. So bye, take care.
Thank you.